Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, sige, bomba ka. Bomba ka. Okay, sige na, una na ako ah. Okay. So what's up mga kayorski? Good morning! Napakaganda po ng umaga natin ngayon kasi pupunta tayo sa Decal Republic, Pangasinan. Ayan. Ito ay located sa Old Venecia Highway. So nabigyan tayo ng pagkakataon para magbago ng decals natin. Kasi 2 years na rin tong decals natin, medyo luma na, kaya kailangan ng palitan. So tara guys, samahan nyo ako at silipin natin kung anong meron sa Decal Republic, Pangasinan. Yan. So shoutout sa mga tiga Lukaw na subscribers natin at followers natin. Shoutout sa inyong lahat, mga kayorski, mga idol. Yan. Ikakabit sa atin ngayong wrap is matagal ko nang pinapangarap ito, kaya lang hindi ko kaya yung price. Buti na lang nabigyan tayo ng pagkakataon ni Decal Republic, Pangasinan. Yo, ayan, Decal Republic, Pangasinan, diba? Yun. So tinatanggal na yung old decal natin. Ano pangalan mo, sir?
Elmer po. Elmer.
Elmer.
Opo.
Ayan. Ikaw, sir, anong pangalan mo, sir?
Ruben.
Ruben. Ayan. So kung pupunta kayo dito sa Decal Republic, sila lang yung hanapin nyo. Sila yung mag-i-install ng bago nating wrap. Ayan. You know, black pala to, no? Pag natanggal yung decals niya, no? Bakit kailangan initin, sir?
Minsan kasi sir, naiiwan yung adhesive eh. Minsan madadami yung adhesive dito sir.
So
mas
pag
madaling maalis sir yung sticker.
Kapag
Yung sticker kapag iniinit na sir.
gagamitin ng, ano tawag niyan? Blower?
Oo, blower.
Blower.
Heat gun.
Heat gun, ayan.
Cheese gun. Cheese gun.
Si sir na ang bahalang dumiskarte dyan. Kayo yung graphic artist, tawag doon, ano? Graphic artist, ayan. Ayan si sir. So, ito na yung ano, fairings natin. Ayan. So, pag nasinaga ng araw yan, nag-gold siya. Tawag dyan yung chameleon purple to gold. So ito yung ginamit na yan. Ito yung ginamit na decal. Ayan guys, so yan yung kulay niya. So labas tayo, check natin. So yan siya guys, oh. Pag nasisinagan ng ano, konting liwanag, yan. So naggo-gold siya. Ayun, may part na naggo-gold. Papalit siya ng kulay. So ayan, konti na lang matatapos na. Ayan, ikakabit na lang nila. So, ito.
Kailangan mo lang tanggapin. Kung may mabalik ko lang po yung mga oras na tinatawag siya. Walang alilangan sa sasagutin ko yan. Kasi ngayon kahit panahintinigus na sa amin.
Yan. So, i-assemble na lang yan, guys. Lapit na matapos yan. Yan. So guys, ito na yung motor natin. Ito na yung mga natapos. Yun. Ayan. You know, Decal Republic, Pangasinan, ex-Moto Yorski. Diba? So, good morning mga ka-Yorski. Andito tayo sa Decal Republic, Pangasinan at ang Spear Car Accessories. Ayan. So, siya po yung bagong may-ari. Kaya interviewin lang natin siya saglit. So, ma'am, anong pangalan nila?
Paula po.
Siya si Ma'am Paula. So, ma'am, baka gusto nyong invite yung mga big bike owners at saka ng mga four-wheel owners na pumunta dito at explain nyo na rin kung ano yung mga kaya nyong gawin dito sa pwesto nyo para maintindihan nila.
Okay. Actually, Decal is one of the product ng Spear Car Accessories.
Okay.
So it was newly franchised just this year, February. So we are located here at Old Venetia, near the ongoing hospital dito sa Old Venetia Highway, Dagupan City. And for decals po, so we cater from bicycles up to trucks and buses.
Okay.
You say you always start, and you're mad. Why don't you get a life and leave the blame behind? And I can't be without you, without you. I never see you happy. You always treat me badly. You say you always start, and you're mad. Why don't you get a life and leave the blame behind? And I can't be without you, without you. What we made the plan, we didn't care. Was a mistake. What I never saw it. Why we made the plan, we didn't care. Was a mistake. What I never saw it. Like a twin star, make a big mess. Like a twin star, make a big mess. Like a twin I never see you happy.
So, guys, nandito si Sir Elmer, ayan, graphic artist ng Decal Republic, Pangasinan. Ayan. So, Sir Elmer, ano-ano bang mga services ang in-offer ninyo dito sa Decal Republic, Pangasinan?
Unang-una sa lahat, we do full wrap. Iba-ibang klaseng full wrap yan. So meron kaming special stickers. Meron din kami mga regular stickers, standard like gloss black. Tsaka meron din kaming matte black. Then siyempre sa special naman, unang-una sa lahat, meron kaming 7D carbon film. We use on carbon good. We have 7D. And sa special po, meron kami mga chameleon glossy. And chameleon glossy at saka wrap. Matte siya. Sa mga glossy, standard po yan. Yan po yung mga services namin. Then sa services naman po, meron din kaming bike wrap, motorcycle wrap, pati tricycle, pati garong, pwede po.
Yun.
Tsaka ano po, customized stickers like logos, business logo, yun po.
Yan.
Tsaka mga cutout sticker po. Meron
Okay.
din po.
Okay. So, invite mo sila na pumunta dito at saka saan ba located itong Decal
We
Republic,
are
Pangasinan?
located from 1878?
Okay.
1878, Lucao District, Dagupan City. Along ano yan, Old Venetian Road, dito lang sa Lucao.
So, ang pinaka-landmark ninyo is itong bagong tayo na 7-Eleven.
Apo.
Ayan, yan ang pinaka-landmark nyo.
Tsaka may ginagawa siyang hospital dyan sa tabi.
Oo, yung ginagawang hospital dito, bago yan eh.
Yes.
Yan,
Bago
yan.
intersection, mauuna muna Spirit Car, then Decal Republic. Isa lang po yun.
Okay.
Then intersection, palabas ng Lucao, tsaka Tapo.
Okay, sa Spear Cars naman,
Sa Spirit Cars, meron din kami mga all-around accessories yan. Pwede
Okay.
rin gumagawa rin po kami ng team.
yan.
At tsaka maraming accessories, iba-iba. Lahat na po, all-in-one na dito.
Okay.
Just follow our page, Decal Republic Pangasinan, and Spirit Car syempre.
Okay. So, thank you guys. Sila yung gumawa ng nag-wrap ng big bike natin. So, maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you po.
Decal Republic Pangasinan at kay Ma'am Paula.
Okay.
Ciao.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have